India has sent a powerful message to Pakistan and the world through its latest military actions. Operation Sindoor marks a bold new era in India's approach to cross-border terrorism and national security. India has officially called Pakistan's nuclear bluff, demonstrating a decisive and powerful response to acts of terrorism backed by Islamabad.
अब आतंकियों की बची खुची जमीन को भी मिट्टी में मिलाने का समय आ गया है।
If they fire bullets, we fire cannons. Prime Minister Narendra Modi's instructions to the armed forces have established a new rule book for India's retaliation against Pakistan's actions. His words, "Wahan se goli chalegi, to yahan se gola chalega," clearly outline that India will not shy away from confronting provocations with unmatched force. The operation, initiated on May 7th, involved precision strikes on 9 key terrorist training camps and headquarters deep inside Pakistan and Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. This strategic action sends a clear and unambiguous message to Pakistan. No place in your territory is beyond reach.
हमले की साजिश रचने वालों को उनकी कल्पना से भी बड़ी सजा मिलेगी। अब आतंकियों की बची खुची जमीन को भी मिट्टी में मिलाने का समय आ गया है।
India turned Pakistan's headquarters to dust, signaling that the nation's countermeasures will continue until Pakistan ceases its support for terrorism. Pakistan's attempts to retaliate by attacking Indian military bases on May 8th, 9th and 10th were met with swift and strong Indian retaliation, which crippled Pakistani military installations, air bases, air defense systems and command centers, showing India's unwavering resolve. This is the new normal. Pakistan cannot expect to pursue terrorism while pretending to seek cooperation in other areas. The international border, the line of control, and even nuclear threats are no longer shields for their actions. Operation Sindoor has established a new normal in the India-Pakistan relationship. India is no longer afraid to target terror infrastructure within Pakistan and has now made it clear that any further aggression from Pakistan will result in even stronger retaliation.
We are committed to take firm and decisive action against terrorists and those who support them.
Army Chief General Upendra Dwivedi has granted full authority to army commanders, giving them the power to respond forcefully to any violations of ceasefire agreements. This means that any future provocations from Pakistan will see an immediate and robust response from the Indian military. The consequences for Pakistan have already been severe. Following India's successful strikes, Pakistan's tone shifted. The next morning, US Secretary of State Marco Rubio contacted India's External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar and confirmed that Pakistan had understood India's message. On the diplomatic front, PM Modi has ensured that the world knows India's stance. He made it clear that no one will mediate on the Kashmir issue. India will pursue the resolution itself. Additionally, India has linked the Indus Waters Treaty to Pakistan's support for terrorism, warning that it will remain suspended until Pakistan halts its terror activities. The cost of terrorism for Pakistan has skyrocketed, and the message is loud and clear. India will no longer tolerate cross-border terrorism. With Operation Sindoor, India has set a new benchmark for dealing with security threats from Pakistan.
This time, if Pakistan dare take any action, and Pakistan knows it, what we are going to do.
The Chief of Army Staff further emphasized that India's military readiness will remain high, and any future violations of ceasefire or attempts to instigate conflict will be met with overwhelming force. As Operation Sindoor continues to unfold, India has made it evident that its resolve is unshakable. No longer constrained by Pakistan's nuclear deterrence or past diplomatic practices, India has set a new standard for retaliation. The world is now watching as India takes a strong strategic stand against terrorism in a region long marked by conflict.
First of all, as I mentioned, we have quantitative and qualitative edge to deliver a massive blow to our adversary, and we completely dominate in the maritime front. Indian Navy's action is part of the escalation ladder mechanism which we have worked out amongst 3 services. This time, if Pakistan dare take any action, and Pakistan knows it, what we are going to do.
In a rapidly changing world order, India's actions speak louder than ever before. Operation Sindoor could very well become a turning point in how nations combat terrorism and protect their sovereignty.